Hey guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina. Today, I will introduce our new launch heat press. Compared with other heat press, this machine has a detachable control box. And when you receive the machine, the control box and the machine is packed separately, and you have to install the control box. And their installation process is very easy. Just plug in two cables. Accordingly, it can work. Okay, let's see how it install the control box. Another feature of the heat press is digital control meter. It features a large touchscreen design, and you can see the time and the temperature clearly, and even a beginner can learn how to operate it with less time. Here's the heat shot covering the heating platen board, and it acts as an insulator, and it could prevent burns when you are printing. We also upgraded the heating platen board. The heating surface is flat, smooth, and heat more evenly, so you can get better printing results every time. For this new BestSub heat press, we have 3 versions in 4 colors. Here's the basic manual type, made for the starters or the daily bulk order use. The next is slide-out drawer type. It's designed for people who need more space to accept the materials. You can slide out the drawer to prepare your printing process. Keep a distance from the heating platen, and it's safer for you to operate. The last is auto drawer version. Besides the slide-out function, the machine can automatically lift when the time is up. Okay, let's see how it works.